Air caulking gun universal, for both sausage pack and cartridge. Operation for 300 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml sausage pack. Air pressure regulator controls dispensing speed. Now change into cartridge, remove the front cover, and take out the sausage pack. Screw down the seal cap, and replace it with the supporting rod. Put the cartridge into tube, then screw on the front cover. Operation for 300 ml cartridge. In case air pressure is too large or too small, adjusting the air pressure regulator. Turn counterclockwise to reduce air pressure, turn clockwise to increase air pressure.